Hey everyone! If you want your Heygen avatars to have the most realistic voices possible, you need to connect your Elevenlabs account directly. In 2026, you no longer have to manually upload audio files. You can integrate them so your Elevenlabs voices appear right inside Heygen. Today, I'm showing you the exact technical steps to link them up on desktop. Let's dive in. Step 1. Get your Elevenlabs API key. First, log into elevenlabs.io. Click on your profile icon or the Developers tab in the bottom left corner of the sidebar. Select API keys from the menu and click the button to Create API key. Give it a recognizable name like Heygen integration. Important, click Create and copy the full key immediately. Elevenlabs hides this key once you close the window for security, so make sure you have it on your clipboard. Step 2. Access Heygen OS settings. Next, head over to heygen.com and log in to your dashboard. On the left-hand navigation bar, click on the Voices icon. Once the voice library opens, look at the top right for a button labeled Add Voice or a plus sign. From the options that appear, select Integrate Third-Party Voice to open the connection portal. Step 3. Link your account. Now you'll see a list of supported AI voice providers. Click on the Elevenlabs logo. A pop-up box will appear asking for your API key. Simply paste the key you copied earlier into the text field. Click Connect or Save. Heygen will verify the key and instantly link your accounts. Step 4. Use your integrated voice. To finish, go to any project and click on your avatar's voice settings. In the voice selection menu, you will now see a new tab specifically for Elevenlabs or third-party. Select the voice you want to use, and Heygen will pull the high-quality audio directly from Elevenlabs for your video. You're now ready to generate. This integration saves a ton of time and ensures your lip syncing is always perfectly matched to the best AI voices on the market. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.